The best hot dog I ever had was at a place called Rollover in Edinburgh at the Prince's Mall, which I think is called the Waverley Market now. Anyway, they used to have this like spike thing that they put the hot dog buns on, which wasn't really a hot dog bun, it was more like a baguette. And the spike went into the baguette and toasted the inside and opened it up so it could receive the, well, it's kind of like a wurst like this one. It was like a really thick hot dog, and they would put some sauce in there first as well, and then once they put the sausage in, that was the deal done. And then they used to put it in those rollover bags, which you still get like in Scotland and the Coop and stuff, but the way they do it now is just rubbish. That you always get like a soggy bun, and without that crispy bit, and without the people there to actually make the hot dog, and it's just not the same anyway. Um, then a few years later, after that, or maybe it was the year before, this was something like 2001. I was on a boat trip going around Zante, and on that boat they had a similar spike thing for making hot dogs, and it wasn't a rollover hot dog, but it was like the same setup. You had the big spike to put the baguette on, and then you put the sauce in, and then you put the hot dog in after that. But it did strike me at the time, and I was only a young man, and I thought, if this boat goes a bit wild, not that it was going to go too wild on the Zakynthos coastline, um, but if it did, and the guy who was making the hot dogs had a tragic fall into the hot dog bun spiker, well, that would have been rubbish for everyone. I mean, there wouldn't have been any more hot dogs after that. Well, he'd toasted his chest on the hot dog spiker. So kind of glad that never happened. We did get a hot dog there as well, but that wasn't the best one I've ever had. The best one I've ever had, like I said before, was at the Prince's Mall in Edinburgh, downstairs in the food court, right in the back corner. I don't know what's there now actually. I think it's probably Burger King or something, but it's all changed since then. So anyway, you can't go back. Can't go back, can you? Nowadays, we're just gonna have to make do with these currywursts from Aldi, which aren't the same at all because they never had curry sauce at Rollover. So I guess the closest you would get would be the rollovers that you get from Scotland or wherever you do your shopping. But again, they're overpriced, soggy bun, bit lukewarm, and probably full of teenagers at lunchtime as well coming to get them all. So it's all decline really. It's not going well for rollover hot dogs. They should bring back the bun spiker as soon as possible.